Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Techxandar. Today we are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. This is Samsung's latest mid-range tablet, an 11-inch display, quad speakers, a solid battery, and 25-watt fast charging, all at a price point that makes it accessible for a lot of people. We are going through everything that comes in the box today, and then we are taking a first look at the tablet itself. If you want the full detailed review, performance, cameras, battery life, all of that, that is coming in a separate video, so make sure you are subscribed. For now, let's open it up. Starting with the box. Samsung keeps it clean and minimal as always. The Tab A11 Plus silhouette on the front, Samsung branding, and a simple color scheme. Nothing overly flashy. Worth pointing out, just like all recent Samsung products, this box is made from recycled materials as part of Samsung's eco-friendly packaging push. Let's open it up, and the tablet is right there on top, face down, clean presentation. Let's take everything out one by one. First out of the box, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus itself, and first impressions. This is a sleek, slim tablet. You can immediately see the Galaxy S series design influence here. Clean lines, refined edges, and it feels light in the hands for an 11-inch device. On the front we have the 11-inch display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution running at 90 Hz. That 90 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and navigating feel really smooth, which is something you appreciate when you are using a tablet day to day. On the back, clean and minimal, camera module in the top corner, Samsung branding in the center, and the finish is smooth and premium feeling, available in gray and silver. This one here is the gray version. On the sides you have the power button, volume rocker, and the microSD card slot, which lets you expand storage up to 2 TB, which is a really useful feature. No need to worry about running out of space. The tablet comes in 2 configurations, 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, or 8 GB RAM with 256 GB storage. Both models support that microSD expansion on top. Build quality overall for a mid-range tablet. It feels solid, well put together, and the slim profile makes it comfortable to hold for extended sessions. My version is the 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. Next out of the box, the USB-C data and charging cable. White cable, standard USB-C on both ends. Now, same story as with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, there is no wall charger included in the box. Samsung has not included a charging brick with their devices for a few years now, so if you do not have one already, you will need to buy a charger separately. The good news is the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus supports 25-watt super fast charging, so with the right charger you can top this tablet up quickly. Samsung sells compatible chargers separately, or any 25-watt USB-C power delivery charger will do the job. And lastly, the paperwork. Quick start guide, safety information, and warranty documentation. Standard stuff, nothing exciting. Worth keeping the warranty information somewhere safe though. Then we have the ejector pin for the SIM and microSD card tray. Small metal tool, standard inclusion. The Tab A11 Plus has a dedicated tray for both a SIM card and a microSD card depending on which version you have. The ejector pin is what you use to pop that tray open when you need to insert or swap cards. So that is everything in the box. Now let's power this thing on and take a quick first look. And that display looks really nice right away. Colors are vibrant, brightness is solid, and the 90 Hz makes everything feel fluid and responsive. Samsung says this display stays readable even in direct sunlight. We will put that to the test properly in the full review. The Tab A11 Plus runs One UI on top of Android, Samsung's own software layer. It is clean, intuitive, and well optimized for a tablet screen. You have proper multi-window support, so you can run 2 apps side by side. Really useful on an 11-inch display. There are also some smart AI features built in. Google Gemini integration so you can share your camera view and get real-time assistance, and Circle to Search, which lets you search anything on screen without leaving the app you are in. These are features that are becoming standard on Samsung devices, and they are genuinely useful day to day. Audio. The Tab A11 Plus has quad speakers with Dolby Atmos. 4 speakers on a mid-range tablet at this price is actually a strong selling point, especially if you are using this for streaming movies or music. Battery. The Tab A11 Plus packs a 7040 mAh battery, which Samsung rates at up to 15 hours of video playback. That is a strong number for a mid-range tablet, and combined with the 25-watt fast charging, you should not be hunting for a charger too often. Quick look at the front camera. 5 megapixels, optimized for video calls. Samsung has enhanced the clarity on this compared to previous models, and on the large 11-inch screen, video calls feel genuinely face-to-face. Good for families, good for remote work. And that is the full unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Quick recap of everything in the box. The tablet itself, a USB-C cable, an ejector pin, and the paperwork. No charger, keep that in mind. First impressions are really positive. The display is smooth and bright, the quad speakers sound great for the price, the build feels solid, and the software experience is clean. For a mid-range tablet in 2026, the Tab A11 Plus is looking like a strong option, especially for families or anyone who wants a reliable everyday tablet without spending flagship money. The full review is coming soon. We will go deep on performance, battery life, cameras, and everything else. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss it. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.